Hello everyone, let's show you first command of panel STPanel. This command names create projected view and section view. Command allow you create automatic views and project views and sections for choose views. I can select next option for create sections or view projection views for selected views, for all views of active sheet or all views of selected sheets. Let's do this. I create two sheets and place three view of parts. After that, I can select this sheets and choose option all views for selected sheets. After that, I have to select which sections or project views I want to create. For example, I choose top section and right section. After that, I can run command. We can see that STPanel automatically create these sections. That's all. First sheet, second sheet. And next option of first command is create 4 sections for walls of the room. For example, I have room and I want to create drawing with view on the each wall. I can do this. I create a new sheet, paste new view from the model, choose top view, change scale, for example, select view. I select this view and select this option from the command for selected view and run command. I see the command create new sheet for each view and place section view, rotate first section, second, third, fourth. That's all about the first command. Thank you.